Did you know the Pacific Ocean is the largest, covering more area than all the continents combined?